The drone is cheap. The flying is not. Here's the math. DJI's Neo 2 is a palm-sized marvel at $299, but the real price of flying, it will surprise you. At just 151 grams, the Neo 2 is Featherlight C0 Certified, meaning you can fly it in most European countries without a license. A huge convenience for beginners. Toss it in a backpack and you'll forget it's there until you need it. Palm takeoff and landing is genuinely foolproof. Even my first flight with zero practice went smoothly. Gesture control works reliably from a few feet away, making solo vlogs and selfies effortless without a phone or controller. ActiveTrack on the Neo 2 locks onto subjects with surprising accuracy for its size, even when weaving through trees in my backyard. The 4K footage is stabilized well enough for social media, though it's not cinematic, perfect for quick clips. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing is a rare feature at this price, and it saved me from a crash into a fence during a test flight. It's not DJI's top-tier system, but it adds a safety net that beginners will genuinely appreciate. Apple Watch integration is a standout. You can view the live feed, check flight status, and even adjust tracking with voice control. It's a niche feature, but it's seamless and makes the Neo 2 feel more premium than its price suggests. Here's what you get. Bundle includes 1x DJI Neo 2, 1x battery, 1x DJI Neo 2 Gimbal Protector, Neo 2 standard accessories, 1x lighted landing gear, 1x Propeller Guard, 1x Gimbal Bumper Guard.A. great and beginner-friendly choice for effortless flying, lightweight and portable design, weighing just 151 grams, 9, and C0 certified. This compact drone features full coverage propeller guards for safer, worry-free transport and flight. And palm takeoff and landing, 1. Gesture control, 2. Enjoy easy palm takeoff and landing, plus intuitive gesture controls for hands-free operation and seamless flying experiences. The $299 price is for the drone only. You get one battery, no charger, and no remote controller. To fly beyond palm range, you'll need the $349 Fly More combo, which includes the RC and extra batteries, making the real cost closer to $500. That's a huge jump for budget buyers. Battery life is a meager 18 minutes per charge, and with only one battery in the box, real flight time is frustratingly short. My first session ended after just 3 flights, and I was left waiting for charges, a deal breaker for anyone planning longer shoots. The drone relies heavily on your smartphone for the best experience, but the Wi-Fi connection dropped twice during my tests, causing laggy video and a near miss with a tree. A dedicated RC is almost mandatory, adding more cost and complexity. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing isn't full obstacle avoidance. It's more of a collision warning system. In a tight indoor space, the Neo 2 still clipped a curtain rod, so don't expect it to pilot itself. The Propeller Guard helped, but it's not a substitute for careful flying. The DJI Neo 2 is a brilliant beginner drone that's fun and easy to fly, but the $299 price is misleading. You'll spend closer to $500 for a complete kit. If you're a casual user with a budget, it's still a great choice. But if you're serious about aerial video, save for the Mini 4 Pro. Check the latest DJI Neo 2 bundle prices in the link below, and don't miss the hidden costs I mentioned.